Good morning. Yes, sirree. Welcome to paradise. The beach, boys. Yes. Hello. A man's got to do what a man's got to do. Oh, diba? Oh, ano pang hinihintay niyo, pare? You know the drill.
Na po dito sa gilid.
Ayan, oh, okay. So dito ang pasok ng bus, then pag after niyan, eto na yung venue. Problem solved, I love it. Tapos kaagad, very organized. Kasi yun yung main entrance. Hello guys, so eto na. So dito lalabas. Tapos eto, diyan na papasok lahat. So very accessible siya. So wala nang problema. The best. Woo! Ang galing, ang galing.
Okay na sir.
Check this out guys. So this is the venue. Extension ng kainan natin. And para sa mga religious dyan, ito yung chapel natin. Tadan! Amen! I love it. Chapel, I love it. Okay, problem solved, problem solved. So dito na yung venue natin. So ito yung extension na yung hindi kakasya doon sa kabila. So dito sila kakain. So very convenient because this can only accommodate 250 to 300 packs. Pero dito ang magiging main program natin. This is the venue and I love it. This place. Okay? Then, extension. Para kakain. So, dito lang. So, hindi siya hassle. Okay, guys. Thanks. Hi Sam, good morning. I have Pam here. So she's the one, she's going to take care of us for our company anniversary. Sam, the place is perfect. You are going to love it. One of the best venues so far. It's safe, it's very convenient. This is the place. So it's aircon. So I'll talk to you soon, Sam. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. Check this out guys. So this is going to be another level 13 event happening soon. Solid. Parang ano parang kung nasa ano anong pelikula to? It's free to find out. Pero ito. The stage. Ooh. Nice. Whew. Love it. Check this out. And of course, we have Pam. So she is going to make our lives easier. Thank you, Pam. So okay na. So see you soon, guys. Yee-hee! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. This is going to be another level 13 experience. Check this out. All right. I'm loving it already. See you soon, guys. See you soon. The best. So parang nangyari pag dumating na yung 10 bus, pwedeng dito na ang straight.
Pwede dun sir sa kabila. Pero ito sir, pwede kasi kayo umikot.
Cool.
If ever, pwede kayong mag-ikot. Yan. So, pwede rin po kayong mag-short prayer dyan sa, sa chapel.
Nice. The Los Angeles Lakers. All right. All right. Nice pare koy. May lifeguard pa tayo. For safety, of course. Yesuri! Singapore, oh. Singapore yan, ah. Alright. Check this out, guys.
Maganda dito sir sa gabi.
Super.
Actually, sir, meron kami private pool dun sa...
Good morning. Okay. Thank you.